Hi, this is a video for baking computation. In this video, I will show the computed and baked materials and the blueprints for baking and also for the keyboard input management. At last, I will play the same in Actor. At first, let's have a look at the materials. Let's open the materials folder and I will show the computed material first. As you can see, there are three materials, and each for the three plans: the computed plan, the baseline plan, and the baked plan. First, I'll open the computed material. Let's wait a second. It shows up. I use two loss function for the computed material. The first one is using the Voronoi loss function. The second one is using a vector loss. I chose it as the Perlin curve because I found the final result a little interesting. Because the range of each of these loss is between 0 and 1, so I need to divide n by 2 after the summation to output the final emission color. Okay, this is computed material. Next, I will show the baked material. The baked material does simple things. It just samples a texture. Here it samples the render target. Here this is a texture object. It refers to the computed target, the render target in the render targets folder. And then using text coordinate 0 to sample and output the final color to the emission color. This is the baked thing. It does very simple things, but it looks the same as the computed material. And also, I'll show the baseline. The baseline is very simple. Just output a dark value, a dark color with 0, 0, 0. Okay, that's it. This is for the first part, the material. Next, I will show the blueprints. Let's go back to the content folder. For the blueprints, in this homework, I have created two blueprints. The first one is the baking texture, bakes the computed texture to the render target. The second one is used for managing the keyboard input. Let's have a look at the baked texture first. The baked texture, Actor does one simple thing when it calls begin play function. It calls the draw material to render target. The material is a computed material, and it will draw to the computed render target. Then I create it. Okay, I'll shoot the render target. It's here. It's in the render target folder. Here is a computed target I created and set the size as 1024 for each dimension. Okay, this is for the baking part. Next, since I do the extreme part, I also change the color. I'll change the material of one plan. I specifically choose a central plan, and when I press K1, 2, 3, the material will be changed. To do that, I using the label blueprint. I'll open the label blueprint here. Here, this is a layout in the label blueprint. I'll first say what I did here. I first enable the keyboard input and then get a reference to the center plan. To get a reference to an actor, you just select the actor and you open the label editor, label blueprint editor, and then you can use it. And then I handle keyboard 1 to switch center plan to computed, keyboard 2 to switch center plan to baseline, and 3 to baked. And here, let's zoom in detail. It's a bit slow. Okay, so here when the level start the begin map, it will call the enable input for player 0, and then in the after refer to the center plan here, I handle the key press 1. Here you can see when the keyboard 1 is pressed, I will see the material for the center plan to compute material. So that's for the when I press 2, it switches to the baseline, and when I press 3, it will switch to the backed material. Okay, sorry. This is the blueprint part I have done. Next, I will play the same in editor. I'll play it in a new editor window. I will enlarge it. Okay, it's living it around here. This is the baseline, just a dark texture, and then here is computed. I think it's not very smooth, and here this is the compacted. Look, it's smoother. Next, I will demonstrate the keyboard even handling. So since I use center plan, then I'll press number 1. Look, it switches to the computed version. Number 2, it will switch to the baseline version, and press number 3, it will switch back to the baked material. Okay, let's go back, and I will switch the center to the baseline. Okay, key press number 2. Okay, this is the video for baking computation. Thank you.